Hello, I'm Dr. Kathy Woodruff, and I am a medical English instructor. If you are interested in improving your medical English, whether to better communicate with patients or colleagues, to write or present a research paper, or prepare for a career in an English-speaking country, I can help. First, a little about myself. After completing my degree at Brown University, I attended Albert Einstein College of Medicine and did my residency at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York City. For the next 16 years, I was an OBGYN physician working in hospital wards, operating rooms, clinics, and my own private medical practice. Additionally, as associate professor at Brown Medical School, I taught medical students and residents who would present patients and develop care plans with me. I also led small group discussions and journal reviews on a variety of subjects. As such, I have been in some of the same situations that you will be in and have had some of the same discussions with patients and peers that you will have. I can teach you the medical terminology you need to use for these actual clinical settings. After retiring from medicine, I went sailing with my family to allow me to visit and live in many different countries. I understand the challenges of trying to function in a country that does not speak your native language. I became interested in teaching English, and I obtained my ESL certification. My first students were young learners of all different levels, from beginner to advanced, but I quickly focused on teaching medical English to healthcare professionals such as yourself. In this way, I can blend my ESL teaching skills with my experiences as a physician. Good communication is the key to success in any healthcare career. I can help you gain confidence in writing, speaking, and listening to English, especially the complex medical language of healthcare. Thank you.